Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Ranks FS Academy. Welcome to our second day of training. And in this training, I will be showing you how to actually open a MetaTrader account and how to also open a binary.com account and impute your details in your binary.com account. Now, the first thing you should do is on your data, go to binary.com. I've shown you that before. And if you're in binary.com, I want you to just be on the main menu, click here and then go to trades. Now under the trades, if you're on trades, let it roll. Now this is the main menu. This is what you're going to be seeing. So, and the next thing I want you to do is actually to open an account. When you click in here, it will enable you to open an account. These are all my existing account. A USD account, you can actually open an account. When you click that account, they're going to ask you what type of account you're going to be opening. So I want you to open a USD account. Already I have a USD account. I have a Bitcoin account and all of that. So you open a USD account so you can power your account. After that, the next thing I want you to do is actually to click MetaTrader. Right now I'm in the MetaTrader page. This is what you're going to be seeing. So, and the next thing I want you to do is actually to create an account. Click create account. If you create this account, you're going to be clicking here and then you create a demo account. But after creating your USD account, the next thing you should create is either a real account or a demo account. So if you create this demo account, click on demo account, and then you create a synthetic account. That is this one, the first one here. Create this synthetic account, and when you create the account, it's going to ask you where to put it. Create the account, follow the instructions. They're going to give you a number. There's going to be a number given to you. Now that number is what you're going to be using on your MetaTrader. So after you're done from here, the next thing you should do is actually to go to your MetaTrader account. Go to your MetaTrader account, which is here. Now we are actually on the MetaTrader account, and you're going to be seeing this on your MetaTrader account. Now click on this add account. When you're there, the trader will ask you. So let's say that you're there right now, so you click on add account. You're going to see something like this. So you add an account. Can you see? You click this dive limited, click it. That is our broker's name. When you click this, you're going to see this demo. You're going to actually see two accounts, dive server and dive demo. Click on dive demo, put in that number of the accounts they gave to you from your binary.com, from the demo account that you opened. Put in that number as your login number, and your password to your binary.com account is the same password you're going to be using here. Or else, if they give you a password, then use that one. But if they don't give you any password, then use that password that you use in opening your binary.com account. Use the password here and then log in. Once you log in, it's going to make sound and welcome you. If you're there, you're going to be seeing something like this: boom, crash, and all of that. Remember, we're trading only boom, 1000 crash, 1000 boom, 500 crash, 500. They all have the same methodology. So whatever that we're going to be showing you, ensure that you use only that thing to actually trade in this market. Now when you go to boom, you're going to click charts. We're already on chart, so put your phone to a horizontal view like this. If you are in a horizontal view like this, then you are in for something serious right now. So at this point, after creating something like this, the next thing that you should be thinking about is how you can actually navigate your way through this page. When you click on the page, you're going to see something like M1, M2, whatever that you see. If you see this, that means that you are actually on the right page, but you didn't click the right option. So when you see something like this, then click on this thing that looks like clock here. If you click it, it's going to turn to time frame. Now this is referred to as time frame. Now the meaning of this time frame is that the M1 says that when you click on M1, it takes 1 minute to create each of this candle. Each of the black candle you're seeing here, it takes 1 minute to form them. Now when I click on M5, that means it will take 5 minutes to create each candle on this particular graph that you're seeing. Whether the big candle, the small candle, it all takes 5 minutes to create them. That is what that means. When you click this one, the plus on top, it's going to take you to the execution venue where you can actually execute your trades. Now here we have market execution. The market execution is an instant execution. That means you're saying that I want to enter the market at this particular time, at this particular point, and at this particular level. That is when I want to enter the market. That is what you're telling the market. And we have different executions. We have something like buy limit, buy sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. All of these are, are pending executions, which I will discuss with you in while we proceed in the class. But for now, just know that there are different type of execution, and this is just one of them. But we will be using instant market execution more frequently. That is the market execution. Now, where you see 0.20 at the middle with the black quoted is called our lot size. Now, the lot size is referred to as the contract size. It refers to as the contract size. It tells you the value of the trade you want to enter. That means how much of your money you want to put in the trade is determined by your contract size. So your risk management techniques will be that you shouldn't use a higher lot size on a small account, because any negative move against you can wipe you out. But the minimum lot size you can use actually on boom and crash is 0.20. That is the minimum lot size you can actually use. When you look at here, you see XL, you see TP. XL stands for stop loss and TP stands for take profit. Now, stop loss is a mechanism we use in risk management. It actually tells the market to end your trade once the market goes against you to a certain level. I'm going to show you all of this. I'm going to teach you all of this in market structure and analysis. Now, take profit is that you're telling the market to take profit when the market goes in your favor and it reaches this level. You should just take profit. Now, when the market is going upwards, we buy. When the market is going downward, we what? We sell. That is all about this market execution. Click on the page again. You're going to have settings. You don't have anything to do here. Just leave it. Now, when you are here, click here. You have what is referred to as your indicators. I'm going to be showing you what type of indicators you're going to be using. Indicators are lagging mechanism that we use to further determines our level of trade, to further determine our areas of trade, to further give us confidence on our decision to take a trade. So you don't just come into the market and just look at it and say, oh, let me just buy. No, there are some certain technical analysis that you should do to tell you that yes, this market is going upward and it will continue upward. Because you can just come into the market, enter the market, and then boom, the market goes down and then you lose money. So we're going to be using these indicators, but not every indicator, but I will show you what indicator to use in this market when we reach market analysis. That's that for that. Well, now when you look at here, when you look here under this, you have here, these are graphical stuffs that we use actually to mark in support and resistance level. Support and resistance level. I'm going to show you all of this under our market analysis and technical analysis. I'm going to be showing you all of this. We use them to mark out some certain areas, to determine some certain areas, to determine why and what might happen at that particular areas. That is the work of that particular indicator. Now, when you click here, we have different type of charts. Actually, we have three type of charts. We have line chart, we have graphical charts, then we have what is referred to as the candlestick chart. So this is actually a graphical chart where it looks like this. Now this is actually candlestick. These are candlesticks, which is the best charts that most traders use, and they use them because it's easy to read them. So these are those kind of charts. Then the down one here, which is the last one, is referred to as the line chart. They just produce lines on the graph, and it's difficult to actually read this type of charts. So that is all for today. So I want you to just peruse everything, execute some trade, just put in some trade randomly, and then end those trades. Actually, when you put in a trade, let's say that I put in a trade. Let's say that I will just, this is my real account, so I don't just want to put any kind of trade on this account. It's my real account. I'm sorry for the bike movement. Actually, my office is close to the road, so that's why that noise is coming from there. And then when you execute a trade, let's say I buy right now, I can actually end that trade. I'm going to show you how to do all of that in our next class. So with this, I think I've discussed everything around here. So peruse it. If you have any difficulty, let me know in the class. Thank you very much, and God bless you.